we going?
Oh man, my car is here. It's been, I don't know, what is it, 7 years in the making? Something like that. I mean, it's been a long time that I've waited to have this car home. And this morning, it was on a car trailer from Rancho Cucamonga and is here. And I'm super excited, man. I mean, there's so many times I just thought about what could I do to just get out of this situation. You know, the car's not done. I'm stressed out, and finally the car is here, and the guy is parked right over there. Oh man, I'm so excited. My Porsche 928 is home, and you guys are gonna see it with me for the first time, man. I'm telling you, you don't know how it feels. I've been without a car to go to with the car shows for a long time, man. And oh man, I'm so excited, man. Let's go check out the car. Here it is. First look. Oh man. Oh my God, it looks crazy with the wheels on it. Look at the wheels on that thing. God. Insane. Insane, man. What's up, man? I didn't know how quick you were going to get here.
Yeah, I told him for 3.
Oh, man. Oh, my God, dude. I haven't seen it with the wheels on it. Oh, dude, insane, man. Look at this shit. Oh, man. Oh man, it's like a Hot Wheel, man. Widebody for real. Let me start it up for you guys.
On and off switch in the trunk.
Okay.
I think I turned it off. I'm not too sure.
Okay.
The trunk's open.
Oh, the trunk's open?
Yeah. Under the carpet.
Have to clean it up a little bit, but she's home. Or one of our other scents and get that ass clean, because I'm getting my ass clean. Stop walking around with a crusty butt, smelly ball sack, and a funky hoo-ha. Big Herc said wash that ass. Pick you up a t-shirt at freshoutseries.com.